Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by eliminating the obvious hardware causes. First, change the battery or fully recharge the mouse. Low power often causes freezes. Once done, unplug and replug the USB receiver or toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a fresh connection. Next, move the mouse to a new USB port and test on a different surface. Some sensors struggle on glossy or reflective material. Make sure the sensor window is clear of dust so the optical reader isn't blocked. Now focus on software and settings that affect responsiveness. Open Device Manager and update the mouse driver. If the freezing started after an update, roll back to the prior driver. Make sure your operating system's power settings aren't putting USB ports to sleep. Disable Selective Suspend and uncheck power saving for the mouse device. If the manufacturer provides software, use it to adjust polling rate and install any available firmware updates, because firmware bugs can produce freezes that only an update will fix. Finish by isolating the fault and applying final repairs. Test the mouse on a second computer. If it still freezes, it's almost certainly hardware. Clean the sensor area with compressed air and gentle swabs, and check the mouse feet for debris that hinders movement. If available, perform a factory reset or clear Bluetooth pairings, then repair. If problems persist after these steps, replace the mouse. Troubleshooting tip: keep a cheap spare mouse or wired backup to confirm whether freezes are device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.